guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make an appointment with Wells Fargo. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So to make an appointment with Wells Fargo, the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to their official website, which is going to be wellsfargo.com. Now from the website, what we need to do is we need to click on the option that says help at the top right. Now it should give you this pop-up here, so go to the make an appointment section. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now go ahead and enter the zip code or city or state that you want to have your appointment. So for example, I'm going to use this zip code here, click on go. Now it should actually locate a branch nearest in your zip code here. So in this case, you could go ahead and choose whatever here. So by the way, if you don't see the make appointment button here, you could go ahead and click on the services and information option, and that should actually open up the actual service here, and just click on make an appointment. Now with the make an appointment button here, what you need to do is you need to either choose the login or continuous guest. So I've already chosen continuous guest here. So from here, go ahead and provide all the necessary details here to set up your appointment. So in this case, you could choose either personal or business, depending on your account that you have. Any comments here. But yeah, so from here on, provide all the details here. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.